Hello students, today we will see two types of numbers, that is prime numbers and composite numbers. Here you can see one table in which I have written numbers from 1 to 12. That is starting from 1 till 12 I have written. I have written as factors here. 1. What's the factor? 1 can write as 1 into 1. So only factor for 1 is 1. So I have written 1 here. Then what's the next one? 2. What are the factors of 2? 2. How can we write 2? 2 is equal to 1 into 2. So what are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. So we have written 1 and 2. So how many factors are there? That is written here. Number of factors. 1, 2. So 2 factors. Here also 1 and 3. So how many factors here? 1, 3. So 2 factors. Here how many factors? 1, 2, 3 factors. So 3 factors. So 5, how many factors are there? 2 factors are here. 6, how many factors are there? 4 factors are there. So this is the table. So how many factors are there? We have written here. Now, based on this table, we are going to divide the numbers into two types. That is, prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers means the numbers which are having exactly 2 factors. So which are the numbers having exactly 2 factors? So you can see 2 is here. So which is a 2. Then here also 2. So which is the next number? 3. Then here how many factors? 3 factors. So we should not take it. So here again 2 is coming. Which number is it? 5. 4 is coming. We should not take 4. Exactly 2 factors we are talking about. So here 7 is here. Then what is the next number? 11. So these numbers, that means 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These numbers are called prime numbers. That means the numbers having exactly 2 factors are called prime numbers. Numbers having exactly 2 factors. Which are the 2 factors here? 1 and the number itself. So I am considering the number 2, 1 and 2. These are the 2 factors. So 1 and the number itself. 3. What are the factors? 1 and 3. So 1 and the number itself. 5. 1 and 5. So numbers having exactly 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. So here we have the list of prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. It will go on like that. Okay, so they are prime numbers. Now comes composite numbers. Composite number means the opposite of what we have told now. What did we say now? Numbers having exactly 2 factors are called prime numbers. So what will be composite number? Composite numbers are numbers having more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. So coming back to our table, this table, which all numbers are having more than 2 factors? We'll see in this table itself. So here, more than 2. So 1 is not more than 2, so we should not take it. See, 3 is here. 3 is more than 2. So which is the number here? 4. So what's the next one? This is 2, so we should not take. Then 4. See, 4 is here. Which number is here? 6. Again 2 is coming. We should not take 2. 4. Again here is 4. Here it is 6. So which are the numbers here? 4, 6, 8. So here 9 is also here. 9, 10, 12. These are all the numbers which are having more than 2 factors. Such numbers are called composite numbers. Numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Okay, so prime numbers and composite numbers. One is neither a prime nor a composite number. Why is it so? I told you prime numbers will have how many factors? Exactly 2 factors. Composite numbers will have more than 2 factors. But for 1, how many factors are there? Only 1 factor is there. So it won't come in this group, and also it won't come in this group. So it is neither a prime nor a composite number. Okay. Is 15 a composite number? Why? So what should you do? So you have to write 15 is equal to factors you have to write. What are the factors of 15? 15 is equal to 1 into 15. Then what? 2 table, it won't come. 3 5s are 15. Then 5 3s are, it's again repeating. So what are the factors? You can write factors of 15 is equal to 1, 3, 5, 15. So what is the criteria for composite number? Composite number should have more than 2 factors. So how many factors are here? Number of factors is equal to 4. So what can we say? 15 is a composite number. Understood? How to write the answer? Well, if any question is asked like this, that is, check whether a number is a composite number or prime number. So what you have to do is you have to find the factors first. Then you have to write the factors. Then you have to write how many factors are there. That is, number of factors. Depending upon the number of factors, we can divide them as prime number and composite number. What about 18 and 25? This you have to do by yourself. 18 we will do. 25 you try by yourself. Okay. 18 you can write as 1 into 18. So next is 2 tables. That is 2 9s are 18. 3 6 are 18. Then 4 table won't come. 5, 6. Again 6, 9, 8. It will go on like this. So we can stop it here. So what are the factors? Factors is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So what will you write? Number of factors is equal to, how many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is greater than 2. So what can we say? 18 is having more than 2 factors. Therefore, 18 is a, what type of number is it? Composite or prime? 18 is a composite number. Okay. Now comes the next one. 2 is the smallest prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number. 4 is the smallest not even number. It is composite number. 4 is the smallest. What type of number is it? Composite number. Composite number. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So understood? 3 things you have to remember. 2 is the smallest prime number. 4 is the smallest composite number. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay. Now comes even numbers. You know what are even numbers? 0 and multiples of 2 are called even numbers. Multiples of 2. You know the multiples of 2, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16. It will go on like that. So all these numbers are called even numbers. Nothing is simple, right? What will be odd numbers? The numbers other than even numbers. So what are the numbers other than even numbers? 0 is even. So after 0, what is the next number? 1. So 1 will come here. After 1, 2. 2 is a multiple of 2. 2 is here. So after 2, what is the next number? 3. So 3 is here. Like that. So numbers other than even numbers are called odd numbers. Okay. So even numbers, you can see in this table, up to 100 is written. All those which are marked with blue color will come as even numbers. So 2, 12, everything will be there. So even numbers will end in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Correct. You just check it. All the even numbers will end either in 0, 2, 4, any of these numbers it will end. Okay. So if I am taking a number 76, how will you check whether it's an even number or odd number? You can see here this is 6. 6 is a multiple of 2. Right. So you can say it is an even number. I am taking 1, 2, 8, 6. 2. So what is the last number here? 2. So if it is ending in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, you can say that it is an even number. So this is an even number. Now I am taking another number. 7615. Check whether it's an even number or not. How will you check it? Just check the last number. It is ending in 5. Not a multiple of 2, right? So that is, it is not ending in these numbers. These all are multiples of 2 only, no? Okay. That's why I told multiple of 2. So 5 is not ending either in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So what can we say? It is not an even number. Understood? Even numbers will end in these numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 7, 6, 5, 9. What's the last number here? 9. So it is not an even number. Understood? So what are prime numbers, composite numbers, even numbers and odd numbers? Okay, done.